This is Mimi Momo coming to you live for Winter Blizzard 2018. The Northeast has been hit, hammered, and hovered over. This started at 7 a.m. and it's going full blast. Folks, this is not a game. This is not a drill. Batten down your hatches. Get your water. Get your food. Well, hopefully you've gotten it already. This storm is no joke. Look at this. It started at 7 a.m. It's currently 10 a.m. and we have been hammered like never before. Let's go to the videotape, shall we? Don't worry, folks. I'm going to stay with you on this breaking news story. As I open up the window, look at the accumulation of just a couple of hours. Snow is thick and heavy. The temperature is a ripe 17 degrees. Look at this, folks. This is one of that moments that makes you wish you had a cave underground to hide in for days like this. Winter Storm 2018. Boy, is 2018 going to be a doozy if this is any indication. We are in for a rough winter. Tonight, the temperature will be dropping down to a frigid 4 degrees. You heard me, folks. 4 freaking degrees. Wherever you are, I hope you're somewhere safe, warm, with plenty of food and water, and wrapped up in blankets with your loved ones. Don't go out unless you absolutely have to, folks. Do not leave your house. This is not a drill. This is not a game. This kind of weather can kill. That's right, it can kill. Stay tuned to the Mimi channel with more updates on this happening story of Winter Blizzard 2018.